Today's video, I'm going to show you how we seal a flat parapet wall. And why do we seal parapet walls? To prevent moisture ingression into the substrate. So let's see how I go about sealing a parapet wall. If it's a new parapet wall and it has never been painted, we need to put a coat of plaster primer on the cement first before putting our rubberizing on. Otherwise, the cement is going to corrode the waterproofing system. So one coat of plaster primer, leave overnight, and then we're ready to rubberize the parapet wall. But this parapet wall has got a coating on, so we can proceed with 3 coats, 4 hours between the coats. And the most important thing is to come down the sides of each side of the parapet by about 50 to 100 mil. So let's get started. And I'm using Hamilton's Specialist Waterproofing Brush, which is a high volume blended brush with natural bristles for the application of waterproofing and paints onto large surfaces. So we begin applying our first coat of fiberized waterproofing very thinly. And we're going to build up the coats, 3 coats to be exact, 4 hours between the coats. Importantly, you have to paint some of the waterproofing down the side of the wall, like I said, 50 to 100 mil, so that the parapet is totally encased in the waterproofing coating. And wash your brushes immediately after each coat. Okay, so our waterproofing system has dried and cured. 3 coats later, we can now apply 2 coats of our final top coats of color with the Hamilton's waterproofing brush. And once again, there we have the perfect finish.